Hello everyone, Dana here from Dana's Electrical Services, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to install a S-trap. So we have our S-trap here, 1.5 inch. This is all our fittings that comes with our S-trap. So not gonna waste any time guys, I'm just gonna jump right into it. So there are quite a few things that comes with the S-trap and it's not assembled, so it's our responsibility to assemble it. So the first thing that I'm going to get is one of this, right? And what's the next thing? Gasket, right? So four gasket comes with it, right? Four gasket, three of them is the same size, this one is different. So the biggest one, which is this one, we're gonna put it here, right? This is the thickest one, this is the only thick one, right? Put it over there, and then we're gonna insert this into our, no, I think I set it the wrong way, so it should be like this. Right, and then I'm gonna shove this all the way up. Well, it doesn't have to be all the way up, but let's put it right here, and then we're gonna tighten this, right? Tighten this until it is not as loose as how it used to be, right? And obviously this part also goes with this part right here, right? And this forms our S. So now we already have our S. So you see we're going through this quickly guys, no skylarking, going through that quickly. Alright, it should be able to turn as long as it's not 100% tight. And then that we're gonna put some PVC cement on this. So we have our PVC cement right here, right? So we're gonna cement this on. Put some around here, right? And then put some around here. And we're gonna put this onto our 1.5 inch pipe. And we're going good so far, guys. We're going good so far. So the next thing we're gonna need is, well, this long piece of pipe came, but I actually cut it. We don't need all of it, right? I could get that out of the way. I can even cut a piece more of it, but I'm just gonna use all of this, right? So I'm gonna put 2 pieces of my gasket, right? So we're gonna have one for the top. Okay, I think I'm out of the lens. So we have one for the top, and then we have our gasket at the top, right? Gonna put our next gasket at the bottom. No, I have to put on this first, yeah? Then our next gasket at the bottom, and then I go down and then turn this to line it up, to line up our chop. Then we can come back up, right? Carry up some more until it back. Then we're gonna screw this on like that, right? And then we're also gonna screw down this part. And that is our S-chop installed. The only thing to do now is just to tighten it, right? So go ahead and tighten it. Tighten all my connections. Right. And tighten. Oops. Also tighten this one right here. I'm gonna run some water in it and test it. We're gonna check if we have any leak, right? So currently water is running, right? Let me show you. Water is running into our sink, right? Water pressure is low, but nonetheless, it's running. Checking for leak. Currently, not seeing any. Right? Currently, not seeing any leak. So, I think we're good to go. Everything is good with our S-chop. Perfectly fine. That is how you install an S-chop, guys. So, there you have it, guys. This was another video brought to you by Daniels Electrical Services. For more videos like these, please feel free to subscribe to my channel at Daniels Electrical Services. Thank you. Thank you.